Hi friends, in today's video we will learn how to make an aeroplane. We need a sheet of paper, a white sheet, or you can take any paper, colored paper or a pamphlet, anything. Now we start. Here is the paper. Now we will fold like this. We will fold the paper into half like this, very neatly and properly. Now we will open this. You can see that it is divided into two halves. Now we will, with this flap, we will do like this. Here it has made a triangle. See, and from this side also we do the same. You can see a triangle is formed. Now from here to here, this point will be here like this. And here also, from this flap we will do the same thing like this. And from here also. It is like this, and the smaller triangle should be folded upwards like this. You can see. And now we will fold it into half like this. Now the half structure is ready. Now we have to give the shape of an aeroplane. So we will do like this. And from this side also we'll fold like that, in that manner only. You can see here it is ready to fly off and to take the flight. You can make designs of your own choice like this. See, it is looking like a jet plane if you have fold like this, and you can make more folds if you want, and it will be looking more beautiful and fantastic. It will be looking like a fighter plane. See, looking like a rocket. You can see. So guys, like the video and subscribe our channel Satya's Kids World. Thank you.